You're gonna choose the actors the way you like them.
Okay.
It doesn't have to be like looks. Maybe you just like their films.
Okay.
It's not the actors, it's celebrities. Because
Celebrities.
It's old people.
Okay, it's celebrities. All right. Brad Pitt or Johnny Depp?
Brad Pitt.
Brad Pitt or Leonardo DiCaprio?
I like Leonardo DiCaprio movies, but Brad Pitt.
Brad Pitt or Timothée Chalamet?
Brad Pitt.
Brad Pitt or Tom Holland?
Brad Pitt.
Brad Pitt or Robert Pattinson?
Brad Pitt.
Okay, now we go into territory I don't know. Brad Pitt or Jacob Elordi?
Brad Pitt.
Brad Pitt or Jared Leto?
Brad Pitt.
Brad Pitt or Tom Hardy?
Brad Pitt.
Damn it. Brad Pitt or Zac Efron?
Brad Pitt.
Brad Pitt or Paul Mescal? I don't know who is this guy either.
Very handsome.
He's very okay. Let me.
He's Irish.
He's Irish. Well, she doesn't know him.
Okay,
So
Brad Pitt.
yeah, she doesn't know him. Brad Pitt or Lewis Hamilton?
Brad Pitt.
Brad Pitt or Max Verstappen? Who the is this?
I know he's the Formula One sportsman, but
Okay.
Brad Pitt.
Brad Pitt or Carlos Alcaraz?
Tennis player, alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, Brad Pitt.
Brad Pitt or Ilya Malinin?
Brad Pitt.
Brad Pitt or Harry Styles?
Brad Pitt.
Brad Pitt or Bad Bunny?
I don't know who is the best.
Bad Bunny just performed in Super Bowl. He is like
Yeah,
he's 47.
still.
Damn. Brad Pitt or Henrik Lamar?
I don't know who is.
Lamar. Rapper? Kendrick Lamar. Brad Pitt or Tyler? The creator, Tyler. The
Brad
muscle
Pitt.
guy. Brad Pitt or Michael B. Jordan? Michael Jordan.
Okay, Michael Jordan.
Ooh. First time we switched the narrative. Michael Jordan or Matthew
McConaughey.
Yes.
Michael Jordan.
I like how Sarah has more culture than me. Michael Jordan or Ed Sheeran?
Oh, I like his song, but okay, Michael Jordan.
Michael Jordan or Justin Bieber?
Michael Jordan.
Michael Jordan or Kylie West?
Michael Jordan.
Michael Jordan or The Weeknd?
Michael Jordan.
Michael Jordan or Javokhir Sindarov?
Javokhir Sindarov.
Okay. Michael Jordan or Javokhir Sindarov?
Okay, Javokhir Sindarov.
Yay! Let's go. I like the okay. It's like, okay, that's that. I cannot answer differently.
Yeah.
It's funny. Awesome. Thank you, Sarah. Awesome.
Stop wasting your time with random opening traps. They don't make you a better chess player. What does? One-on-one guidance, group classes, and a complete training program designed specifically to your level. Try my Russian chess school for free for 7 days and see for yourself.